Amazon have just dropped $4 billion on Anthropic's AI assistant Claude, bringing their total investment to date up to a staggering $8 billion. But why is Amazon betting so big on this relative AI underdog? Let's break it down. First up, let's address the elephant in the room, ChatGPT. While OpenAI have been hogging the spotlight and, to be honest, the search traffic for AI assistants, Claude has quietly been crushing it behind the scenes. Claude's latest models actually outperform OpenAI's in a variety of different metrics. To be specific, Claude excels in things like complex reasoning, coding, and especially safety. While other AI models hallucinate and make stuff up, Claude is actually quite well known for being far more reliable than most of the competition. And this isn't just marketing talk, there are a whole host of different benchmarks that you can go out and search for yourself to find the performance level that they've been achieving. It is genuinely very impressive. But this story isn't just about Claude's capabilities, it's also about Amazon playing 4D chess in the AI game. Because Microsoft has OpenAI, Google has Cohere, and now Amazon has its big bet on Anthropic. All of the big tech companies are starting to realize that if they don't at least keep up in the world of AI, then they are surely going to be left behind. Let's talk numbers for a second. Anthropic's valuation is currently $18 billion. OpenAI's is at a whopping $150 billion. Now, OpenAI has far more unprompted awareness, there's far more search traffic for ChatGPT than there is for Claude, and it's not even close. So why then would Amazon invest $8 billion in the smaller player? The answer here lies in three key factors. First is cloud domination. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is still the king of cloud computing, and AI needs massive compute power. By partnering with Anthropic, they ensure a steady stream of cloud revenue while they build out these AI capabilities. Here's something wild. Training a single large language model can cost upwards of $100 million, and that's just for one training run. The compute needed across the lifespan of an AI generation is astronomical. AWS has over 100 data centers worldwide, and they're building out much more capability for AI. Reason number two is the Alexa factor. Remember Alexa, the home assistant that can wake you up in the morning? Well, Amazon is likely planning to supercharge that Alexa that you talk to every day with a really responsive and realistic large language model in a version of Anthropic's Claude. This will drastically change the user experience for the better when interacting with home assistants. You won't just be asking Alexa to wake you up in the morning or play your favorite songs on Spotify. You will potentially be having quite in-depth conversations with your Alexa about all manner of different things. It's going to be a step change in the technology itself. And reason number three is talent. So Anthropic was founded by former OpenAI engineers, and they are some of the brightest people in the industry, if not the world. So this investment isn't just about the models, it's also about making sure that you're keeping close to those people who are really pushing the frontier of the AI industry. So let's talk about why this matters. These engineers are not just building an iteration on a relatively standard technology, they are building possibly the most powerful technology the human race has ever seen. Many of them from Anthropic worked on GPT-3, which was the breakout model that really made a name for OpenAI. And now they're working on something potentially even more impactful in the latest versions of Claude. And unlike OpenAI's exclusive deal with Microsoft, Anthropic can still work with other companies. The AI race isn't just about software though. It's also about chips, and Amazon has been designing its own range of chips that are well suited for training AI models. So this partnership will allow them to push the frontiers of their hardware with some of the best-in-class software. This, I'm sure they hope, will be a mutually beneficial relationship. The competition is, of course, fierce though. Microsoft has pumped billions of dollars into OpenAI. Google has spent many years and many billions of dollars developing Gemini. Meta is building its own models in the open source community. But Amazon's approach might be the smartest yet, because here's what most people don't realize. Amazon is not just buying AI technology, it is buying insurance for the future. It is buying the ability to keep up with the rest of the industry that is moving incredibly fast. And so the big question is, will this massive investment pay off? Well, consider this. The AI industry itself is predicted to explode to an estimated $1.3 trillion market by 2032. So suddenly an $8 billion investment does not seem so crazy. But there's more at stake than just money. AI is going to be the transformative technology of our generation. By making this investment in a market leader, Amazon is buying the opportunity to shape that future. And of course, a massive multinational company like Amazon will have all sorts of different ways that it can integrate best-in-class AI technology across its products. Think about it. Between AWS, Alexa, and now Claude, Amazon is building something that is genuinely unprecedented. An AI ecosystem that could literally power everything from your shopping, to your home, to your business. So what do you think? Do you think Amazon's investment is going to pay off? And if not, why not? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for sticking with me for this long. I appreciate you. I'll see you next time.